Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix voice tapping problem on vivo phone. Friends, you want to solve guys your keyboard voice tapping. So then how to fix keyboard voice tapping. So friends, you can see guys on my keyboard friends, you cannot see voice tapping icon here. So then how to fix keyboard voice tapping problem. Friend, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your vivo phone. Friends, click on vivo phone app setting and friends scroll it. See all app, click here. Friends, again scroll. Friends, you will have to find your Gboard setting guys. Gboard setting friends, click here and friends click on third option storage and cache, and friends click on clear cache, then friends click on clear storage and delete. After delete friends, now come back and friends, now you can on friends your keyboard and you can use guys your keyboard voice tapping. Friends, you can see keyboard voice tapping. So friends, we can use it. Hello. So friends, you can use your keyboard voice tapping. Friends, after click catch keyboard icon not show here. So friends, click here. Friends, click on your voice tapping. Friends, you can see voice tapping is off. So friends, we cannot use keyboard voice tapping on our vivo phone device. Friends, we want to use. So friends, again click here. Click on voice tapping. Tap here. Guys, voice tapping will show on your keyboard. Friends, you can use keyboard voice tapping. Keyboard voice typing. So friends, we can use keyboard voice typing on our vivo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt? So you can ask me in the comment section about your keyboard setting. So bye guys, thanks for watching. Friends, you want to set any theme, friends you want to add any language, so you can add your keyboard language, and friends you can set your keyboard theme. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.